What's up, y'all? It's your boy Big Pat, man. Back with a video. I haven't done a video in so long, man. Life has been lifing, you know. Today, coming to you with a video about this beautiful thing here. Let me go in the front, because the front just the eye catcher, all right? This beautiful thing right here, all right? Now, I'm going to show you when I'm getting done to it. Okay, so the problem is, sorry, allergies. I live in Michigan. Always, like, you know, wintertime is coming down. Snow, snow, snow. Where I work at, you know, I know about all the salt that people put down, and I know what salt do to trucks. So let me show you what it's doing to my truck. So this is what it's doing to my truck right here. All right, it's not looking good down here, y'all. And my truck is in good condition. I don't have no dents and all that stuff. I got some scratches and stuff, but that's in a later video. But yeah, it's time to get this done up, you know. I'm not getting rid of my truck unless I get like 100,000, 300,000 subscribers and got a nice check coming in. It's still not going nowhere. But that's the issue right now with my truck. It drives well and all that stuff. I'm gonna have to get some new control arms, but this is what I'm going through right now, okay? And when he get done with it, you know, I'm gonna introduce the guy when he get here, because he's mobile. So he's gonna come here, do all this here. Let y'all see, can you see? Yeah. All that had to get done. So, he'll be here around after 9, like 9:10, 9:06. He's gonna start on that, and then I'm gonna have him introduce himself, everything he does. It'll be a short video. I might try a video of him doing it, just to let you guys know. And you know, you'll get people like, oh, you can do that by yourself, you can do it yourself, this and that. I don't want to mess up nothing, all right? I'm a type of guy, if I got it, I pay for it. I like warranties. So when the guys show up, like I said, I have him introduce himself. I'll probably let y'all see before and after. I'm gonna take some pictures before you get here, so when you get done, you know, you can see the after effect of it. But I'm glad to be doing a video. I haven't done a video probably longer than a year. It's been a minute. It just, man, life been really kicking my tail lately. Not now, but it's been really on me tough. So when you get done or get here, introduce y'all, probably show the process, and we go from there. Let's go. All right, man, so he's here now. He got the truck all set up. All right, so, you know, introduce yourself and your business.
Hey, how you doing? My name's Steven Tanner. I'm the owner of Steven's Rust Reform and Spray and Bed Liners. And what we really do here is we put on a polymer wax, black wax, that literally gets sprayed for protection across. Now, on this, I'm gonna reform this rust here. Anything you see, these pockets, right? It's gonna be PB Blaster, and then I'm gonna take a wire brush and make sure that the surface is ready for the product.
Okay.
After I'm done, it's some very shiny black, some matte color, guaranteed to protect for 5 years.
Yeah.
I'm mobile. I'm based out of Romeo, Michigan, but service all of Michigan as a whole. So if you need me, big job, small job, give me a call.
All right, and I'll put his information in the description, let you guys know his number, the ways to contact him. I contacted him on Facebook, and he got here. I contacted him a day or so ago, and he made it out here. So he got it set up, all set up, ready to go. I'm gonna let him do what he got to do, and I'll see you when he's done. Done. He got everything under there. I'm gonna put the before pictures beside if I can. I just got a little dirt on there from driving, but look at that spotless, man. You got everywhere, all in there, behind my bumper. This side, behind my bumper, wheel well, the frame. Last time I put it before and after pictures, you know, between them, let you see. Dang, I got all that on there that quick. I just drove down the street. Anyways, This is beautiful, man. I feel like I got a brand new truck now. Everything's sprayed down. Even sprayed between here. Man, great job. I am happy. I am extremely happy. My truck, I have a good truck. My truck is a 2015, so, you know, almost 10 years old. That's crazy. And I've been trying to take care of it. Like I said, down the line, do I get lift kit and tires and rims, interior. Like, tell you the truth, I want black cloth seats, because being up here and we talk about moving to a hotter state, leather in the sun, be on fire. Now, I mean, he didn't want to be on camera because he's sweating and stuff, but he did an awesome job, great customer service. I want to get my truck taken care of. Like I said, lift kits, lift kit, tire rim, interior speakers. And this is my baby. Yeah, this is my baby. And just give me a little minute. You know, I don't get paid that big from YouTube, especially now. I ain't done no videos, but it's all taken care of. New tires is on the way. And yeah, y'all, that is it, man. Thanks for watching me. This is your boy Big Pat. Thanks for all the love. Thanks for still watching my videos. My subscribers still going up. It's my first video and over a year some change. You know what I mean? So I thank y'all. I appreciate y'all. Have a good day. I'm out.
Ones that ain't here, my heart cold, man, it's something doctors can't cure. The big touch, yeah, I got my hands